Fukushima Daiichi nuclear reactor, an aftermath of a devastating tsunami by
Breona Hilgers.
And
in the beginning, the earthquake off the coast of Japan with a magnitude of 9 caused the nuclear reactors at Fukushima Daiichi to automatically shut down as they were meant to.
The cooling systems have repeatedly failed, leading the cores of some of the reactors to overheat.
This has led indirectly to explosions damaging both the outer buildings and parts of the containment systems intended to prevent radioactive material from escaping.
Breaches caused some of the material to be released.
Why Fukushima Daiichi won't be another Chernobyl. Fukushima uses enriched uranium, which is more stable.
And Chernobyl uses unenriched uranium, which is unstable.
Fukushima uses enriched uranium, which can't be boosted without human interaction. In other words, it's very difficult for a reaction to occur.
For Chernobyl, the reactor was designed to accommodate the unenriched uranium, making it easier for the nuclear reaction to accelerate. This allowed it to generate useful amounts of power, but it also left it vulnerable to running out of control.
Fukushima's was a level 5 on the International Nuclear and Radiological Event Scale,
while Chernobyl was a level 7 on the International Nuclear and Radiological Event.
What is the biggest difference? The biggest difference between the two nuclear reactors is that Fukushima Daiichi was turned off when the earthquake occurred. The reactor has a safe fail that will shut the reactor off in the event of an earthquake. Chernobyl was still running even at the time the accident was at low power.
The radiation levels at Chernobyl were at 30,000 roentgens per hour near the plant, where 400 roentgens causes imminent death in 30 days of exposure.
A relative comparison suggests that Fukushima's exposure is the same as a CT scan. Deaths.
At Chernobyl, there were 30 deaths. 2 were co-workers that died initially, and the other 28 were firemen and emergency cleanup workers.
At Fukushima, there are 50 volunteers that sacrifice their lives to help cool the melting reactors by spraying them with water.
Does Fukushima lose a greater risk if all goes wrong?
Fukushima uses enriched uranium, which is more powerful than what was used at Chernobyl. Because of this, the fallout could exceed Chernobyl. 4 reactors have lost control and could potentially mean more radioactive material could continue to seep, leak, or burst into the environment. If power can't be restored to the cooling pumps, 2 other methods that can be utilized, such as air cooling and water entombment, can help. And these are our works cited. Thank you.